Powered by advanced CNC technology, this two-chuck horizontal laser tube cutting machine delivers unmatched accuracy for light tube processing. This is not a demo machine. This is not a showroom setup. This autoloader tube laser cutting machine is already installed and operating at a customer site in India. Large HMI interface enables quick program editing, process databases, real-time graphics, and automatic fixture control, putting full control at the operator's fingertips. Reduce labor costs, improve cutting accuracy, increase throughput. This is not just a machine, it's a competitive advantage. Upgrade your tube processing, lead the market.